Welcome to Virtual Student Service, the solution for reducing media disruptions and hybrid lectures during and after COVID-19 pandemic. Meet Professor Smith in his hybrid lecture. Some of his students are present and some of them are remotely connected. He struggles with the current situation. For him it is hard to concentrate on both present and remotely connected students at the same time. In contrast to the present students, Professor Smith cannot respond directly to questions from the remotely connected students. They have no possibility to signal that they have a question without interrupting the professor's flow of speech. Currently Mr. Smith has to check for questions raised in the chat manually by going to the laptop and opening the chat. This is one more issue to think about during the lecture. Professor Smith's best solution to addressing the described problem is the virtual student service. It is the easiest way to enable remote students to participate as if they were on site. It allows Mr. Smith to see if a question was raised remotely by a visual signal. At the beginning of a hybrid lecture, the professor allocates an intelligent place for the remote participants. A smart lamp is installed on this place which lights up in different colors based on different events. These events are triggered by questions, network faults and surveys on a separate platform by remote participants. Optionally, the intelligent place can be equipped with an Amazon Alexa, which reads the raised queries. After trying the virtual student service in his hybrid lectures, Professor Smith is convinced that this is the answer to his problems. Now he is able to include the remote students in an easy way without being interrupted or manually checking questions in the video chat. Use the virtual student service to involve your students and give them a great and immersive lecture experience even if they are remotely connected.